In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop mouse not working. So if you're unable to select anything or move the mouse cursor on your touchpad, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. So the first step is to open up your start menu. Now you can either do this using your keyboard or you can plug in an external mouse. And from here, we're going to type in device manager and press enter. Now from this window, you need to scroll all the way down to human interface devices, and then you can go and press the right arrow key in order to expand this drop down. You then need to scroll down until you find your touchpad from the list, and we're just going to right click on this and press update driver. You can then press search automatically for drivers and then go and close out of this window. Now if it's still not working, you need to right click on this again, click on update driver and press browse my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and you need to go through this list here by selecting each of them to find the one that works for you. So we're going to start with the precision touchpad at the top and press next. And if that one doesn't fix the issue, you can just go through the list until you find the one that works. Now if that doesn't work for you, then what we can do is close out of this window, open up the start menu on your computer, search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices. You can then scroll down and we need to click on touchpad. Now make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled like this. You can then click on the drop down arrow and make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is turned on as well. And if it's still not working, you can always try and click this reset button, and that should have went and solved your mouse not working issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.